can't believe you did that, Tom. You knew how important that report was, and you didn't even bother to help out. Are you kidding me? Huh, we have a deadline to meet, and you are just sitting there grinding like an idiot. You are always slacking off. I cannot take it anymore. You wanna fight? I'm not afraid of that. Draw the curtain, and only we can see them fight. Finish up your work and get out of here.